Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and handy folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. We're diving into the world of power tools and accessories that will revolutionize the way you tackle projects. From woodworking to concrete work, we've got you covered with these 10 cool tools and accessories that will make your life a whole lot easier. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Makita PJ7000 Plate Joiner is a powerhouse tool designed to make woodworking projects a breeze. With its powerful 5.6 AMP motor, this plate joiner delivers an impressive 11,000 RPM, ensuring quick and precise cutting in a variety of woods. Whether you're working with hardwoods, softwoods, or composite materials, you can count on the PJ7000 to get the job done with ease. One of the standout features of this plate joiner is its cast aluminum pivot fence, which offers 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. This allows for effortless angle adjustments, ensuring that your cuts are always accurate and consistent. Additionally, the large and easy-to-operate cam locks make angle guide and fence adjustments a breeze, saving you time and frustration during setup. The PJ7000 also boasts 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops for the most common biscuit sizes, including number 0, number 10, and number 20. This versatility allows you to tailor your cuts to the specific requirements of your project, whether you're joining thin boards or thick panels. Another key feature of the Makita PJ7000 is its rack and pinion vertical fence system, engineered for precise and accurate fence adjustments. This ensures that your workpiece is held securely in place during cutting, minimizing the risk of errors and ensuring professional quality results every time.
Number 2. The 27-piece double-head screw extractor set is a comprehensive solution for tackling stubborn screws and bolts. This set includes a wide range of extractor sizes, ranging from 7/8 inch to 1/8 inch, ensuring compatibility with various fastener sizes. Additionally, it comes with convenient adapters, including a 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch drive hex socket adapter and a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch drive adapter, enhancing versatility and ease of use. The latest version of the set allows for direct connection with a wrench, eliminating the need for a connecting sleeve and providing added convenience and speed. The reverse thread design ensures maximum grip, tightening as you turn to effectively remove stripped, damaged, rounded off, or broken screws and bolts. This extractor set is suitable for use with both hand tools and power tools, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. Crafted from durable high-strength chromium molybdenum steel, these extractors offer superior strength and durability. The phosphate coating enhances their corrosion and rust resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability even in challenging working environments. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the 27-piece double-head screw extractor set is an essential tool for overcoming frustrating fastener challenges with ease. Number 3. The Demolition jackhammer is a powerful tool designed for professionals to tackle concrete and metalworking projects with speed and precision. Featuring a max 3,500-watt industrial motor with 60-joule impact energy, it delivers impressive performance to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Constructed with heavy-duty aluminum, this electric jackhammer is highly durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability. For added reassurance, the high-strength alloy chuck can withstand the strong impact of demolition operations, while the quick assembly and disassembly feature of the chipping hammer chuck allows for easy replacement of the chisel without the risk of accidental dropping. The handle, made of plastic, minimizes the risk of electric shock hazards. Designed for enhanced user experience, the jackhammer features an upgraded shock absorption structure with double springs to save more effort, along with a 360 degrees rotary handle to reduce fatigue during prolonged use and provide precision in narrow spaces. Additionally, it comes with a convenient carrying suitcase and a locking button that automatically maintains operation, saving effort. To ensure longevity, the efficient cooling system effectively cools the motor, keeping it at low temperatures even during intense and prolonged work sessions, thereby improving the concrete breaker's lifespan. With its durability, precision, and user-friendly features, the Demolition jackhammer is an indispensable tool for professionals in the construction and metalworking industries. Number 4. The Yardmax 1.6 cubic feet concrete mixer is a user-friendly and efficient solution for mixing concrete on job sites. Featuring solid steel drums and an IP45 washdown certified motor and gearbox, this mixer is not only durable but also easy to clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. With a factory-assembled motor drive box, installation is a breeze, eliminating the need for messy assembly and allowing for quick setup. In fact, this mixer can be assembled by one person in under 30 minutes, saving valuable time and effort. Designed for ease of use, the Yardmax concrete mixer features a steel handle with an iron ring and safety lock, providing a secure grip and allowing for easy adjustment to the user's preference. Additionally, its low-profile height makes it ideal for pouring into forms, wheelbarrows, and moving around job sites with ease. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Yardmax concrete mixer offers convenience, durability, and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any construction project. Number 5. The Resin Mixer epoxy plastic paddles are a convenient and versatile solution for mixing various liquids such as epoxy resin, paint, and more. With this paint mixer drill attachment, mixing deep pour epoxy resin, latex and oil paints, and other viscous liquids has never been easier, allowing for quick and efficient blending. One of the key features of these paddles is their reusability. Unlike traditional mixing sticks, these paddles are easy to clean and can be used multiple times for various projects, saving you time and money in the long run. Designed to minimize bubbles, these paddles ensure a smooth mixture without compromising on quality. Whether you're working with resin or paint, you can trust that these paddles will stir up the liquid while minimizing the formation of bubbles, resulting in a flawless finish for your projects. In addition to mixing epoxy resin, these paddles also serve as excellent paint stirrers, offering a convenient alternative to hand mixing. Made from high-quality reinforced plastic, these paddles are durable and reliable, providing consistent performance with both thin and thick liquids. Number 6. The Skill 6.2 amp 10-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press with laser alignment and work light is a versatile and powerful tool designed to handle a variety of drilling tasks with ease. Featuring a robust 6.2 amp induction motor, this drill press can power through wood, metal, and other materials with precision and efficiency. With its 5-speed system ranging from 610 to 2,800 RPM, users can select the appropriate speed for different material types, ensuring optimal performance and results. The drill press is equipped with a laser alignment system, allowing for precise drilling maneuvers and accurate hole placement. To further enhance accuracy, the drill press features an adjustable depth stop, ensuring consistent drilling depth with every operation. Additionally, the adjustable table height provides easy depth control, accommodating various workpiece sizes and thicknesses. Safety is also a priority with this drill press, as indicated by its laser class 2 rating and maximum average radiant power of 0.83 milliwatts. Moreover, the built-in LED work light conveniently illuminates the workspace, ensuring visibility and precision even in dimly lit environments. Number 7. The Weaver Diamond Core Drilling Machine offers exceptional performance and precision for wet drilling applications. With a lightweight handheld design, it allows for accurate drilling on a variety of surfaces, accommodating hole diameters ranging from 3.1 to 4 inches, 8 to 10.2 centimeters. The inclusion of an industrial-grade 4-inch core bit with a 1¼ thread ensures compatibility and durability. Equipped with a 2-speed electric motor, operating at 1100 RPM and 2400 RPM, this core drilling machine features a convenient gearbox for adjusting speeds based on the material being drilled. The 1500-watt strong motor provides consistent and powerful drilling performance, ensuring efficient work. Effortless drilling is facilitated by features such as a rust-proof steel-forged output shaft, which can withstand high pressure, and an upgraded one-touch water pipe connector for stable water supply during drilling. Additionally, a shoulder rest reduces friction and enhances portability. For enhanced precision, the core drilling machine is equipped with 2 fluorescent yellow-green bubble level tools, strategically placed on the housing. These bubble levels aid in making adjustments more convenient and accurate, ensuring that the drilled holes are perfectly aligned. Overall, the Weaver Diamond Core Drilling Machine combines durability, versatility, and precision, making it an ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike seeking efficient and accurate wet drilling solutions. Number 8. The Yardmax Pneumatic Rivet Nut Gun with Self-Locking Head Gun is a versatile and high-quality tool designed for efficient rivet nut installation. This kit includes 3 gun heads of different sizes, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, along with their corresponding 1 bearing and 5 mandrel replacements for each size. The self-locking function of the head allows for quick assembly and disassembly of the mandrels without the need for additional tools, enhancing work efficiency and convenience. Constructed with impact-resistant steel S2 material for the connecting rod, this rivet nut gun effectively prevents wear and reduces shaking, ensuring uniform strength and durability. The high-quality rotor is forged with alloy steel, providing higher accuracy, strong wear resistance, and a long performance life. Featuring a speed adjust knob, the rivet nut gun allows users to adjust the gas size, effectively controlling the intensity and speed of work. Additionally, the embedded muffler vent helps to reduce noise generated during operation, creating a quieter work environment. The shockproof design of the rivet nut gun eliminates impact on the arm during operation, making it lightweight and reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. The anti-slip handle with ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation and a secure grip, further enhancing user experience and efficiency. Overall, the Yardmax Pneumatic Rivet Nut Gun offers sturdy construction, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an essential tool for various rivet nut installation tasks. Number 9. The Metabo Cordless 18-volt Drywall Screw Gun Kit is a comprehensive solution for drywall installation tasks. This kit includes one 2.0 Ah battery with fuel gauge, a collated magazine, charger, and carrying bag, providing everything needed for efficient operation. Designed to increase productivity, the collated screw magazine reduces user fatigue and speeds up the screwing process. The screw gun delivers a no-load speed of 0-5,000 RPM, ensuring fast and precise screwing in a variety of materials. With 3 operation modes, manual, automatic, and impulse, users have maximum flexibility to choose the mode that best suits their needs and preferences. The screw gun accepts 1/4 inch hex bit shanks, accommodating a wide range of screw types and sizes. This screw gun kit is compatible with number 8, 5/32 inch diameter screws and accepts screw lengths between 3/4 inch to 2-3/16 inch, making it suitable for a variety of drywall installation applications. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Metabo Cordless Drywall Screw Gun Kit offers convenience, efficiency, and reliability for all your drywall screwing needs. Number 10. The Metal Nibbler Drill Attachment is a versatile tool designed for precise and efficient cutting of lightweight metals, catering to DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and renovators. It excels in cutting metal trim pieces, roofing panels, and other lightweight metal materials with ease. Installation is simple and compatible with both corded and cordless drills, ensuring convenience for users. Crafted from thick titanium material, it boasts high hardness, strength, and durability, capable of enduring continuous high-strength work without deformation or breakage. With cutting capabilities for various alloy materials, including iron, steel, copper, and aluminum plates, it provides versatility for a range of projects. However, it's not recommended for cutting plastic or high-hardness alloy materials. Featuring a user-friendly design and enhanced cutting efficiency compared to traditional tools, this Nibbler metal cutter stands out for its durability and long-lasting performance. Whether for small DIY tasks or larger renovation projects, the Metal Nibbler drill attachment offers reliable cutting capability for precise and efficient results.